Back at the Cajun Bahamas. My uncle bought a camp last year, and we're here for the 4th. Should be doing some inshore fishing, maybe some offshore. Should be a good time. So we have hit 300 subscribers, so we're going to be doing our subscriber video through this video. Y'all stay tuned to find out how to get entered. It's a white trout. Got two. First of all, I want to show y'all. This is terrible that I did this, but so last month's Cajun Catch Club June's box was swim baits. Let me show you what I got in it. Let's open it up. Oh, look at this. Zach with Cajun Lure sent me a nice sticker with a thank you note on the back. That's the different things. Catch Club's tip of the month is how to use the Mad Minnow. Let's see what else we got in here. We have a sticker. Love it. Favorite sticker. The Mad Minnow opening night. And then the Mad Minnow Bayou Shad. The Mad Minnow Smoking Shad. The Main Squeeze, which this is actually a really good color right now this time of year. And some Death Grip jig heads. 1/8 ounce 5-pack. And another pack of, looks like quarter ounce Death Grips. So what's really cool about these Death Grips, I'm going to show you, is that right there. Look, they do not come off. So y'all seen us making these, and I know I didn't really show how they were made, but let me show you now. So we start off with a swivel, and then crimp the swivel on. Then we go to, this is actually, it has a swivel on here, and it will swivel around the line, but this actually just sticks on the line. You crimp both ends, and this is one solid piece of monofilament. But on this one we have about a foot. You can see it's got a crimp there. These two beads that glow in the dark, then crimped circle hook. Anywhere between like a 6 and an 8/0 circle hook. So then we go further down the line, about, I don't know, 2 feet or so. We have yet another one of them lines, so it's a double rig at this point. Beads, these beads are glow in the dark. These are pink. Color really didn't matter. You can see this is a little bit of a smaller circle hook than the last one. And then all the way at the bottom, we have a snap swivel. And what the snap swivel you do is you put about a 2-pound weight on it, drop it down to the bottom. So this thing's getting all tangled while I'm trying to film this for y'all. So ultimately what you'll do, if you can see, it'll be almost like a drop shot. With my offshore rods, I always like to put one of these snap swivels. And what this is, it gives me such an easy way to just switch out lures real quick. And when it's done, there's no weight on the pole. The reason we started putting the snap swivels on the bottom of these rigs is because when you're running offshore and the poles are bouncing, there's no weight on this. This is just monofilament with a couple of hooks on it. You don't have weights bouncing, you don't have any of that. So it keeps your stuff from getting beat up. It keeps poles from breaking. If you have any question about these rigs, leave them in the comments below. Pro tip with these, any rigging like this, whether it be this, anything for trolling, any type of bait that's a bunch of monofilament, get sandwich bags. Put these in a sandwich bag, then you can just pull it out. Off the coast of Louisiana and the Gulf of Mexico, oil platforms dot the sky. These oil platforms act as an artificial reef and attract many species of fish. Nope.
Got one. There you go. Right off the bottom. Right off the bottom. How deep is it here? 100 foot?
105.
The line changes color every 25 feet. It's gonna be that shark.
Look how he's pulling.
I got the tax, man. They're making them circles.
Yep.
Sharknado.
Water's clear. It's a white trout. That's a white trout. He caught a white trout.
Big one?
No.
It's legal.
This pole's a little too small for a 2-pound weight.
All that time to go fish, man?
I think he's gonna make the cut for illegal.
Make me lose my fish.
You ain't gonna lose it. Look. You're gonna make me lose my fish.
What?
Wrap it until it comes off. Most difficult. One more time. All right, there we go. I might be hung up. I know I was hooked up on one.
Come out the rig too. What a big fish. It's got 2 of them. One of them's a keeper too.
All right. Hey, oh, here. Yeah, he's legal. I know y'all were waiting to see how to get entered. In the second half of this video somewhere, the hashtag will pop up on the screen, and I want you to put in the comments below, and we'll select from the comments in this video. Nope.
Get him, man.
I don't know. He's not putting anything. Ooh.
Oh, I got 2.
Doubled up. 2 nice ones. Oh, come on.
At least you got 2 on.
I got 2.
Put him in that was a good fish.
Yep.
Frankie got one.
It's not a keeper. It's slipping out my hand.
Oh, that's a nice size.
Oh, he.
That's okay, you need to go anyway.
He did. He was too small. Too big snapper. Oh. All right, I'm done with my 3. Oh. All right, so we're making some snapper Almondine. We got some butter, parsley, and almonds. And also, using our favorite Cajun-ish season, sweet heat for your meat. It's a good sweet and spicy. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna actually cut this snapper into some smaller pieces. Whenever I'm blackening something, I want to make sure it's always dry. So I'm just patting it dry with a paper towel. I'm also making sure I get all of the scales off. You're gonna take your seasoning and just kind of sprinkle it all over your fish. This pan here, we're actually gonna do our Almondine sauce. Gonna get a whole stick of butter in this one, and then we're gonna use butter so that nothing sticks in our pan here. So we're gonna add our almonds to the butter here. I'm gonna start letting these toast. And now we're gonna go get our snapper. We're gonna place it seasoned side. Maybe not hot enough. I'm gonna place it seasoned side down. Starting to golden brown up. Here we're gonna take some parsley and put it in that almond sauce. I think fresh parsley actually works better, but... Alright, so it's about time to flip that snapper. So what we're gonna do is take our seasoning, season this side of it. Alright, so the Almondine looks to be done. Not 100% sure. That's how I've always seen it. So the snapper's almost done blackening. Alright, here goes nothing. That's my Almondine. Let's get a little bit of toasted almonds. It's good. If you like videos like this where we do the whole catch, cook, clean type thing, where we talk about how we catch the fish from start to beginning, let me know. If you want to see more cooking or more of the technical side of fishing, let me know. Or if you just like seeing us reel up fish, we can do that too. Leave a comment. If you want to support the channel, just go ahead and give us a subscribe. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. And we'll catch you on the next one.